All right, let's look at the homework 5.3, problem number 8. All right, so g of x is integral from 0 to x f of t dt. So if you take the derivative of this using fundamental theorem of calculus, you're going to get f of x. Right? So f of x is really the derivative g prime of x, right? All right. So let's answer part A. At what value of x do the local maximum value occur? All right. So first, we have to find the critical number. Critical numbers are 4, 12, 20, 28. Right. And then, so at the critical number, in order to get the local maximum, it has to go from increasing turning into decreasing, which means that the positive derivative turning into the negative derivative. Right? So you can see that at 4, positive derivative, because it's above the x-axis, and then negative derivative. So 4 would be one location. All right, this one is negative to positive, so no. So positive to negative. So at 20, we have 1, 2. And let's see, so here it's a negative to positive. So it's a 4, and a 20. Right, and at what value of x a local minimum? So in order to get the local minimum, it's basically the other one. So here we have 12 is turning from negative derivative to turn into a positive derivative. Here at the 28, negative to positive, so it's a 28 there. All right, and the part B, where does g attain its absolute maximum value? All right, so here, this is going to be actually the net area starting from 0 to x, right? So 0 to x here is going to be negative, and but here, if you go here, it's going to be a little bit negative here. So since this is a larger region, and then you added even bigger region, so that's going to be a little bit positive. And then here you're going to subtract even larger region, but you're adding this the biggest region here. So the biggest value would be right here. So including all of it, so it's going to end at 36. Right? So x is going to be 36. Right? On what interval g is concave downward? So that means that the second derivative is negative, which means that whenever this guy is decreasing. So you can see that it's decreasing from 2 to 8. So it's going from, on what interval? So it's going to be 2 to 8, right? And then union, set, so union. Right, and also 16 to 24. So 16 to 24. And what else? Here, this is decreasing here, so 32 to 36. So 32 to 36. Right, so we got that. Right, sketch the graph of G. Right, so it looks like it's increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, and increasing. So initially it's going to start increasing. So this one is decreasing. So this is increasing here. That's good. And this is decreasing now. So it's going to be between here and there. Right? But as we said that at 36, it's going to be the maximum. Right? So at 36, this has become 0. But here, 36, you gotta obtain the maximum. So this should be the correct answer, right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part A correctly, part B correctly, and part C correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.